Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel APM Guide. As a part of our APM MCP server tutorial series, in this video we are going to discuss how to configure APM MCP server with Gemini CLI in VS Code here. So I explained the step-by-step process to configure with Gemini CLI. Okay, so here, as a part of this video, I am covering this all 7 steps here. Okay. So first we'll check if Gemini is installed or not. Then we install the Gemini CLI. Then we verify the version, verify the MCP list, and then we will add the APM MCP server to the Gemini CLI. And then once again we verify the MCP list, and then we start the Gemini and account setting. We do all these 7 steps. I am going to cover as a part of this video here. Okay. So before starting this one, so we have the prerequisites which we should be installed in your machine here. The first, the Node.js. The Node.js should be installed in your machine, and npm or npx should be installed in your system, and then apm 3.x should be installed, and then Android Studio and Android SDK. These are the prerequisites when you are working with the APM MCP server. Okay, so now we start to open the VS Code. So in the VS Code, I created project APM MCP server tutorial here. Let's close this one and maximize the terminal. I say, yeah, terminal. Okay. Now, the first step is check if Gemini is installed or not. Okay, what I will do, I just run this command Gemini space double hyphen version. So it not recognize me, Gemini is not installed here. Okay, now we have to install the Gemini CLI. Okay, so second step. So to install the Gemini CLI, you have to use command npm space -g space at the rate of wait npm space install, sorry I forgot, install -g at the rate of google / Gemini -CLI. So we have to use the command npm space install space -g space at the rate of google / Gemini -CLI. Click on enter. So it will install our Gemini CLI on the VS Code. So as we are using the -g, it is global. We added the 7 packages in 8 seconds here. Okay, this is step number 2. Step number 2, verify the version here. Okay, go back here. So same command I had to use Gemini space double hyphen version. Now it has to provide the version of it because we have installed the Gemini CLI here. Yeah, the version is 0.47.0. Okay, done. Now the step number 4, verify the MCP list here. Okay, how we have to verify the MCP list? So we have a command called Gemini space MCP list. Click on enter. So it provides the install MCP list. It says no MCP server configured. This we are not configuring any MCP server. So we need to configure. The step number 5 is to add the APM MCP server. Go back here to add. This is the main crucial point. To add the MCP server to the Gemini CLI, we have to use the command Gemini ncp add space apm hyphen mcp space npx space apm hyphen mcp at the rate of latest. Okay, this command we need to execute it. Please note that all these commands I prepared one document and upload in the GitHub here. Okay, so all the process I upload in the GitHub. You can get all these commands step by step to install the process. So no need to worry about that one. Okay, now we are running the command Gemini MCP add Appium-CP npx Appium-MCP at the rate of latest here. Click on enter. Now it's going to add the Appium-MCP server. So it's a MCP server Appium-MCP added the project setting. Okay, done. Now once again we will run this command. The fourth step is to once again verify the MCP list here. Okay, come back here. Just say Gemini MCP list. Now it has to display the APM MCP because we configured MCP servers. It will show the what are the configured MCP servers. It says APM-MCP npx Appium-MCP at the rate of latest. It just means I added it, we will activate it. Okay, I will show you. Just we are adding it now. Okay. Okay. Previously, when I run this Gemini MCP list, it said no MCP server configured. Now we have added it. Now I will show how to activate also connected also because it's showing as disconnected. It means it is activate. It is added. Okay. Now what you will do? The next one is the now we need to start an account setting we need to do here. So just go back to VS Code and just say Gemini, click on enter. So it asks for the account settings. Just a minute, it's running. Yeah, it says get started. You would like to authenticate this project, sign it with Google. Okay, so click on sign it with Google. So open authenticate page in your browser. Do you want to continue? Yes, continue. So authentication task. So please provide your Google account details so that it will activate the Gemini here. Okay. So attempting to open, so it has opened here. So here you need to provide the sign-in details. Okay. So I pause the video, I provide my sign-in details and log in there. So you copy it, or you copy this complete link also, copy it and open the browser and paste it here and just provide the say here I want to provide the APM guide here. Just I pause now. So when you authenticate, it says authentication successful and authentication for successful and products are available for authorized to access the account. Okay. So Gemini Code Assist, Cloud Code with Gemini Code Assist, Gemini CLI, anti-gravity. So our authentication is successful here. So go back here. Just a minute. Our authentication is done. It's taking time. So we already done here. So already we have done. Once again, it's asking us. Yeah, once authentication is done, everything is done. Okay, our Gemini CLI is configured. Okay, so just open the Explorer here under let's close this terminal. So under our APM MCP server tutorial video folder, we have a Gemini folder. Under this .gemini, click on the settings.json. So it will be created here. So here, if you see the JSON, we have the MCP servers. Under MCP servers, we have configured the APM-MCP, okay, and command npx and augments here APM-MCP at later latest. Means our MCP server is configured with the Gemini CLI here. Okay, this is all about the how to configure our APM MCP server with Gemini CLI in VS Code here. So in next video, we'll run our first code with Gemini CLI with APM MCP server. Okay, if you like this video, please click on like button, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.